Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Start by downloading OTT Navigator from your device store and open the app. Grant storage and network permissions when the system prompts you to enable guide and playback features. Create an account or sign in using your email and a secure password to keep settings synced. If you prefer anonymous use, skip sign in and save local settings only. The app will load its default interface and prepare to import your playlist or scan for channels automatically. Next, add your content sources by tapping Playlists and selecting Add to paste an M3 URL or select a local file path. For program guide data, open EPG settings and add an XML TV URL or import a local XML file for channel mapping. Assign the correct country and time zone so program times display accurately on the guide. After saving, refresh the playlist and EPG lists, and wait 10 to 30. Finally, customize playback by opening playback settings and choosing your preferred player, hardware acceleration mode, and a 2-second buffer preset for smoother streaming. Create up to 5 profiles to store different player choices, subtitle languages, and parental restrictions for each user. Use the channel list to mark favorites and to long press any channel to open the context menu for recording, information, or direct playback options. Regularly clear cache and update playlists to maintain performance and accurate program listings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.